Have you ever seen a 1-year-old suddenly decide they can walk, even though their legs are still negotiating with gravity? It's like watching a mini superhero in training, tiny chest out, arms flying everywhere, wobbling like jelly on a roller coaster. If there was background music, it would be dramatic action drums mixed with cartoon boing sounds. Today in this video, we're turning those adorable wobble steps into confident little strides with the Joyreal Wooden Baby Push Walker, your baby's new walking buddy and your new cardio workout. Now, if your baby is officially in I think I can walk mode, congratulations. You've entered the phase where nothing stays in one place. Remote controls disappear, shoes magically teleport under sofas, and somehow the dog starts looking nervous, like it already knows it's next in line for grabs. This stage is exciting, emotional, and slightly terrifying because babies have zero fear and 100% unstoppable curiosity. That's why walkers like this exist, to give your tiny explorer safe support while they build balance, muscles, and confidence. And yes, also to save your back, because bending down every 2 seconds is not a cute hobby. This is the part of parenting where you realize babies don't walk, they attempt parkour. So if you've been catching furniture, catching your baby, and catching your breath, this walker is about to become your new best friend. Let's get into the unboxing. The packaging is simple, clean, and honestly kind of classy, like a premium baby product. Not a toy that came straight out of a cartoon explosion. It doesn't have loud characters yelling at you or glitter slapped everywhere like a baby birthday card gone wrong. When you open the box and touch the wood, you immediately feel quality solid, smooth, and beautifully finished, like a toy that's actually meant to last. This isn't a flimsy toy that shakes if you breathe near it. It feels like something built to fight in the baby Olympics. It looks ready to survive tiny hand smacks, snack crumbs, banana fingers, toy tapping experiments, and the occasional random bite attempt. Everything feels purposeful, well-designed, and baby-safe, and best of all, the soft Montessori colors blend into your home instead of attacking your living room like loud plastic toys do. Even your aesthetic Instagram corner is safe. The assembly process is a relief: no confusing instructions, no weird mystery pieces, and no reason to cry into a cup of cold coffee. With a screwdriver and a few minutes, everything fits together securely. If you've ever built baby furniture and nearly questioned your life choices, you can take a deep breath here. This one respects your sanity and your sleep deprivation. Once assembled, the first thing you notice is how sturdy this walker is, the kind of sturdy that makes you feel like even a determined baby can't take it down. It has a wide base for proper stability, adjustable handle height so it grows with your toddler, and adjustable rear wheel tension so your little speed racer doesn't suddenly zoom like they're driving a baby sports car. Trust me, 1-year-olds walk with the confidence of a mini superhero and the balance of a baby giraffe. Proper support is everything, and this walker delivers that without drama. Now let's talk design. This wooden walker gives a calm Montessori vibe: no aggressive flashing lights, no noisy buttons yelling "let's play" every second, and no music playing randomly at 2 a.m. to scare you. Finally, a toy that lets your baby explore the world instead of distracting them every 5 seconds. The wheels have rubber grip, meaning they're floor-friendly and safer for tiny beginner steps, and they don't scratch your tiles or wooden floors. Whether you're on tile, marble, carpet, or hardwood, this walker moves with control instead of sliding like it's auditioning for an ice skating show. Parents instantly feel relief knowing baby isn't going to slip and rocket across the room. It feels safe, stable, quiet, and thoughtful, truly created for early walkers, not chaos creators. Turn the walker around and you'll see the built-in activity center, and honestly, it's genius. Your baby can walk, stop, play, walk again, stop again, then proudly store random objects in the bottom tray like they're packing for a tiny baby vacation. Beads to slide, learning pieces to touch, a little bell, and a mini abacus. It's like a toddler gym for the brain and hands. They learn to push, grab, turn, twist, and explore textures naturally. Instead of overwhelming electronics, you get calm, meaningful engagement Montessori style. Babies love this because it gives them a purpose. Parents love this because it keeps baby busy long enough to sip half a coffee before someone climbs the furniture again. And yes, every Montessori family watching this is quietly saying, "Finally, Here's what testing looks like in real life. Your baby grabs the handle, stands like they just became CEO of the house, and begins pushing with pure determination. You stand behind them like a professional baby bodyguard, your heart full, your camera recording, and your breath held like you're watching a movie stunt scene. The walker moves slowly, steadily, giving your baby confidence while protecting your nerves. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps. Then that adorable, proud face appears, the kind of expression that melts your soul and makes all the sleepless nights feel worth it. The phone storage fills instantly because, of course, you're recording every second. And the best part? When they pause, instead of collapsing like a baby noodle, they bend down, explore the bead maze, and take a moment, giving you a few precious seconds to breathe before round 2 begins. Welcome to Parenting Level Up. If you're already imagining your baby holding this and making those adorable first steps, here is the link to grab it now before it sells out. Let's be real, once babies start walking, life changes instantly. You go from, "Oh, you're so tiny and cuddly," to, "Where did you go? Why are you behind the curtain? And how did you get my phone again?" This walker helps make that transition less chaotic and more joyful. It's safe, strong, well-balanced, and made for real developmental progress, not flashing lights and loud noises pretending to be learning. And yes, your living room stays beautiful instead of looking like a toy tornado passed through. You get a child learning real balance, coordination, and independence, and you get a break from plastic toys that scream at 6 a.m. for no reason. This is parenting, but peaceful. Parents often ask, "Will my baby really use this?" Yes, absolutely. Babies love pushing things. Chairs? Yes. Laundry baskets? Yes. The dog's food bin? Unfortunately, yes. So it makes perfect sense to give them a safe, purpose-built walking tool instead. You're encouraging independence and giving them a chance to practice walking correctly. Unlike toys that get ignored after 2 days, this walker stays relevant from first steps to confident walking, and even afterward as a play activity station. It's not a one-week wonder, it's a long-term win. One important reminder: this is a walking support toy, not a babysitter. Always supervise your baby while using it. Babies have creativity, energy, and 0 breaks, so you want to stay close. If your toddler already runs like a mini athlete, this walker becomes a fun play activity board. Not just a walking tool, still useful, still entertaining, still adorable. But if you're right in that first step stage, this is exactly the right time. In the end, the Joyreal Wooden Baby Push Walker checks every box parents truly care about. It's safe, stable, adjustable, Montessori approved in style and function, and genuinely supports early walking development. It engages your baby, looks beautiful in your home, and creates emotional memories you will keep forever, because those first steps only happen once. This walker turns wobbly attempts into confident, happy, adorable progress, and that moment is priceless. Ready to support your little one's walking journey and give them the cutest, safest walking buddy? Grab it here. Give your baby independence, confidence, and a stylish start to walking with the Joyreal Wooden Baby Push Walker. And get your heart ready, because once they start walking, they don't stop. Welcome to the tiny human on legs era. You're gonna need energy, but you're absolutely going to love it. Hit like, subscribe for more baby gear reviews, and drop a comment telling me the funniest place your toddler has tried to walk into so far. See you in the next one.